Hello everyone, take a spoonful of hot melted sugar and then start off by drawing a pea shape in the beginning. Connected to this, draw the antlers at the top. We are making a kind of deer. For this, you may add in the details. Start off by drawing the legs and then add a little tail to it as well. Following this, draw on the body and then add the front feet. Make one of the front feet lifted. Draw on the details of this deer. You have chosen to draw multiple curved lines. Add a stick through it once you are done. Taking the syrup, start off by drawing a guitar-like shape. Underneath it, add a little stem to it and then add some lines to it. On the side now, add on the wings. Make some internal lines as such to make the wings. Start off by adding the sugar syrup to a flat surface. Add two ear-like shapes and then at the back, add the rabbit's back. Draw on the lines of this as well. Now, make sure that it is detailed and there are multiple of these to add more detail to it. After this is done, take a sharp object and then add on the details. Don't forget to add the eyes and other such things. Taking the spoonful, add an ovular shape to the top. Then add something that looks like antlers and don't forget to add the antenna. This will be the eyes of our crab. Then on either side of it, draw on the legs as such. Take a sharp object and then make the rest of it such as the smile and other details. Taking the spoonful, start off by making a peanut-like shape out of it and then draw a curvy body to it. Add the legs and after this, add the body as well. We will be drawing a horse. Add the ears and then using any other object, draw the rest of it. You may make the legs for this rather mid-air and then connect it to the rest of the body, that is the neck. Don't forget to add the tail and then fill in the center using the spoon. Add multiple lines to it and as characteristic as it is for a horse, add on multiple details to its tail as such. Then add a stick to it once you are done and then you have it. Hold it out in the sun to make it look all the more aesthetic. Next, take a spoonful of sugar syrup that has been melted. Then draw on what looks like the head of a mouse or a bird. After this, draw on some rather big ears or rather the antler. Now draw on the body, the legs and then connect the rest of the body such as the belly to the neck and the front legs as well. After this, you may draw the normal legs. Fill in the center using the same spoon. Make multiple curved lines as such. Don't forget to draw the tail. Add a stick to it and then you have yourself a ram. Taking a spoonful of this melted sugar, start off by drawing this particular shape onto it. This is the shape of a bird, that is a duck. Draw on the beak and then using a flat surface, draw on the details of it. Add on the wings and everything else. Then fill in the center as well using the same spoon. Add multiple lines to it and then hold out a stick underneath it. Taking a spoonful, add the top of what looks like a bird. Then add on the body and then taking any sort of circular object, stamp in the shape of a circle to denote the eyes. Fill in the body using the same tablespoon. Hold it under the stick and then connect the two together. Taking a tablespoonful, start off by making a somewhat circular shape. Then at the top, add multiple lines on either side. Draw on a little feet and then add a little belly as well as a little tail. This will be and look like a pony. Add little eyes to it and then a cute little mouth as well. The details are what makes it the best. Then for the center, add on the body and then you may add on a little stick to it as well so that it can be held up and eaten accordingly. This is what it should look when taken off. Next, start off by taking a spoonful and then make a slightly curved sign out of it. Connect the bottom as such and then make a fill in as well. At the top, fill in the whole center and then use multiple lines and then make it look like a branch. Taking another tablespoon, add on the rest of the body of this bird. After you are done with this, make sure to add the wings and the branches that it is sitting on and other such details. This will be a peacock. Add on the long tail that is very characteristic of it. Fill it in using multiple spoons of the sugar syrup. Next, add on the legs and the branch as well. Thank you for watching.